Step 1. Choose a topic and write a script. Begin thinking of the purpose of your story. Are you trying to inform, convince, provoke, question? Also, think about who the audience will be for this story. Write the first draft of the script, which will serve as the basis for the narration you will record later. Read what you have written and make sure your script includes a clearly articulated purpose and includes an identifiable point of view. Share your script with others and use their feedback to improve the next version of the script. Repeat the process of getting feedback and revising the script until you're satisfied with the result. Step 2. Collect digital resources. Search for or create images that can be used in your story, including pictures, drawings, photographs, maps, or charts. Try to locate audio resources such as music, speeches, interviews, and sound effects. Try to find other informational content which might come from websites, word process documents, or PowerPoint slides. If you plan to use video clips, try to find or shoot short clips that will highlight the theme of your story. Step 3. Select content and develop a storyboard. From the images and video clips you collected, select the ones you would like to use in your digital story. Add any additional text content to the updated version of your script. Select the music or other audio you would like to include in your story, and create a storyboard that will provide a textual and visual overview of your plan for the digital story. Step 4. Import, record, finalize. Import images and video clips into WeVideo or another similar software program. Use a microphone or voice recorder to record the narration of your script. Import the narration into WeVideo or another similar software program. Add titles or captions that will help support the theme of your story. If desired, import music or other audio such as sound effects. When you're satisfied with the result, save a copy of your completed digital story. Step 5. Share your story and teach others about digital storytelling. Show your digital story to colleagues and friends. Think about how the story could be improved, expanded, and most importantly, used educationally. Teach your students or colleagues how to create their own digital stories.